Welcome to Sacred Heart High School. Today we are going to start with the fourth chapter, air pressure. Okay, now we will see where you can see the air. The air is everywhere on the planet Earth. When an air makes a movement, it is called a wind. Okay. Now let's see what is pressure. The pressure is a force. When the object has a weight, it has a pressure. For example, a body has a weight. If we want to measure the weight, okay, we are going to use a weight scale. If we stand on the weight scale, it shows the weight of our body. So whatever the object has a weight, it has a pressure. So air has a weight, air has a pressure. Now we'll understand the air pressure with the example. For example, take a bottle filled with the water. Now take a piece of cardboard and place on the top of the bottle. Hold the cardboard from the hand and turn into upside down. Take off your hand from the cardboard. What did you see? You will see that the cardboard stick to the surface of the bottle. This is because of the air pressure. We know that air is present everywhere in the surrounding. Thus, the air exerts pressure from all the direction on the bottle. Surrounding air pressure will be more than the pressure inside the bottle. Because of the air pressure outside the bottle, this allows the cardboard to stick to the surface of the bottle. Because of this example, we can understand that air exerts pressure. You know that air pressure acts in all the directions. Air is on the surface of the earth, so we call them as an atmosphere. The air, which is closer to the earth, contains higher proportion of dust, water vapor, heavy gases, etc. This atmosphere divided into the different layers as shown in the image. The first layer, which is closer to the earth, that is troposphere, then above that stratosphere, then mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. This is the layer of the atmosphere. The maximum air pressure you will find on the surface of the earth. Okay, the closest layer of the atmosphere is troposphere. Okay, so atmosphere layer is also called as air pressure. As we go far away from the surface, the air pressure get decreased. As we know that air is everywhere. Okay, but air is everywhere, it is not uniform at all the places. Okay, and the air pressure is keep on changing. Okay, you will find that all the time the pressure of the air is different. It is not uniform at all the time. As we go higher and higher from the surface of the earth, the air gets thinner and thinner. So this is the reason why as we go away from the earth, the oxygen level in the air get decreases, because the air pressure becomes thinner as we go away from the earth surface.